Dr. Aarti Sharma, and today we'll be talking about some tips and tricks to conceive easily. Now, before talking about tips and tricks, let's understand that in a normal cycle in 1 month, the chances of getting pregnant for a healthy couple is just 20 to 25%. Why I'm saying this is because I don't want you to get disheartened. A lot of times patients come saying that we tried for 2 months, 3 months, they're not able to conceive and they're absolutely disheartened. Please remember, it takes 6 to 12 months for a healthy couple to conceive naturally. Now, the very important thing is, number one, is to keep a track of your menstrual cycle. You have to understand that having intercourse daily or increased frequency of intercourse doesn't really help. What helps is to have intercourse during your fertile zone. Now, the fertile zone ranges somewhere between day 8 to day 18th of your menstrual cycle. So try having intercourse daily or alternate day during that fertile period. Second thing, you have to understand that the position of sexual intercourse or lying down after sexual intercourse for long or putting a pillow under your buttock really doesn't help. Some amount of sperm is expected to come out after sexual intercourse. So please, these things really doesn't help, and sperms knows how to find their way to the female reproductive tract. Now, very important is diet. It has been seen, there are a lot of studies which says female and even the male partner having a lot of fruits, fresh vegetables, lot of antioxidants really help them to conceive faster and naturally. Whereas patients who are having processed food, there are a lot of free radicals that can be really injurious for your sperms and your eggs and can actually cause delayed conception or difficulty in conceiving naturally. Weight management again becomes very important, because if you put on weight, there are a lot of problems that you are welcoming, like thyroid issues, polycystic ovarian disease, or a lot of hormonal imbalance, and that of course causes difficulty in conception. So please, management of your weight is very important. And how do you do that? You have to live a healthy life. So be active. I know a lot of patients think that if they are planning pregnancy, they should not work out, they should just keep sitting in one place. No, you have to have a healthy lifestyle. You have to have an active lifestyle to help you conceive naturally. And two big no's are smoking and alcohol. There's absolute no smoking, no alcohol, because that again affects your sperm quality and affects your egg quality. So please be patient. Apart from this, if you have any doubts or if you have irregular periods or any other problems, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.